for just a little money. 9th Street, 9th Street, 9th Street.
There's a place in town where some women hang around. I said, and what they do for money to some folks just don't seem funny. I said, for a $20 bill, brother, you can get your fill. I said, in the shadow of the night, her neon figure mean delight. I said,